Hey guys, welcome back to Vice. I'm Quinn. Today we're going to be installing one of the easiest upgrades for your Ram 1500 truck, and that's our Slimline Reverse Kit. So this complete kit is based around our dual 8-inch Slimline light bars, each outputting a staggering 3,000 lumens of light in a combo beam. They attach directly to our heavy-duty powder-coated bracket set, which bolts directly onto the back of your 1500 or Rebel truck, as well as this kit is completely plug-and-play thanks to our in-house made 7-pin wiring harnesses. We're also going to install our smart reverse light switch kit. So how this kit works is our 7-pin allows these lights to come on automatically when you put in reverse, but some customers want to also control it from their cab. That's what this is going to let you do. So this is the kit. Let's get right into it. Still on the right spots. Start off by saying that this is an easy job that you can do in your driveway or home garage. We've put the truck up on the hoist and removed the rear spare tire just to show the whole process to make it easier for you. So the first step is we're going to install our 8-inch Slimline light bars into our brackets. So these slide right in here, and the orientation of the harness comes out through the low cutout there. It sits in between here and gets pinched in place with the hardware supplied with the lights. And then you can snug these up using the provided Allen key. There are flex tabs here, so as you tighten down, they will pinch the light in place. And then repeat for the other side. So we're going to take our completed bracket assembly and our 3/8 carriage bolt, which is supplied, and slide it up into the hitch. This slides through there and up through, and then once in position, it gets retained with this bracket here, which slides over. Don't worry about alignment right now, we're just getting everything finger tight, and you can just let it droop. Then we'll get the other side on. Same process for the other side. Through the hitch, through the bracket, and then on with the 3/8 flange nut. Just finger tight for now. Okay, the next piece of hardware we are going to install is this M8 flange bolt and nut. It goes in through the primary bracket, through the secondary bracket, and is retained in place with this M8 flange nut. So while everything is finger tight, we can adjust these brackets so they sit how you'd like. Level is what we aim for. And so this bracket is slotted right here. So you can tilt it up and down until you're happy with the position, and then tighten all the hardware down. So this fastener here attaches with a 9/16 socket. And the second bracket gets pinched in place using a 13 mil or 1/2 inch wrench and socket. So now we have the brackets installed with the lights. You can see how they sit nice and high and tight and follow the lines of the bumper. So the next part is wiring, which we've made super easy thanks to this 7-pin adapter. So what we're gonna do is reach up in behind the bumper and remove the connector that connects to your trailer plug. Fold that out of the way. And then we're going to install our adapter in its place. That slides right over there. The next piece we are going to install is our splitter. So this plugs into both lights and it's waterproof sealed connections. And into the adapter we just installed. So the last step is just clean up the wiring, loop it together. I find a good place to strap it is up with this passive entry wiring here, and just strap it in place with the supplied zap straps. So this is the kit completely installed, done in around 15 minutes or less. Now when we put our truck into reverse, these lights will automatically come on. But we are now going to install this optional wiring kit, which will allow you to control the lights from a switch in your cab. So whether you are camping and just want to put the lights on, or you've got another Ram behind you tailgating you and want to flash the lights at them, this is the kit you'll want. So the smart switch wiring kit installs between our 7-pin adapter and our splitter, connecting it in there, and then the male into the female there. The rest of this wire gets routed up into your relay. We have our aux beam kit installed in our engine bay, and that's what we're going to wire it to next. So to route this cable, the best way is there is a factory wiring harness running along the driver's side frame rail. So we're just going to follow that, making sure not to attach it to any moving parts or suspension links. Protected from really any moving parts. We wanted to have it in a nice solid position. So following the factory harness is your best bet. Okay. Go on. Forgot my light. Okay. Pop your hood, and we're going to wire it in to a relay switch. So we have the wires fished through up through the inside engine bay here, following the wiring harness. And we are going to wire this into our aux beam switch kit, which is mounted right here. And the fuse and relay panel is built into here. So we're going down, up, and through here. We'll go through these slots. This kit we have another video to show you how to install this. That will be linked at the end of this video. So we are going to wire these into our third position on our switch on this 20 amp fuse, up through into our aux beam switch panel here. Just pull these ends off on the pre-stripped wires. And they're going to be wired into this third position here on the 20 amp fuse. That's the positive there. Have to loosen this. Those are wired in, and then again, just like we have done with the rest of the wiring, allow a little bit of flex for to reduce any strain, and then zap strap this so it can't pull out. And with the rear lights wired in, that completes the install. Let's test it out. So back in the cab here, so we can activate these lights by simply turning that into reverse. Lights come on. Alternatively, we have our aux beam controller right here. We've got it wired up to our third position, and just hit the back up on and off. Nice and simple.